Louie. Kenny, are you jealous? Look it, I'm petting Louie. Kenny, I'm petting Louie. You're a jealous turd. Why don't you care? Oh, you laying on me. Oh, you're licking my pants. Baby, you're so cute. Really though? That feels weird. Look at your little paw. Louie. Louie. Hey. Hi. Kenny, look at. I'm petting Louie again. I'm petting Louie. Louie, 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 Louie. Ow. Okay. See, you are jealous. You're my jealous little baby, and I love you. Oh. Oh. Pretty eyes. Pretty scary. Whoa. Yeah. Okay, can you get off now, buddy? Can ya? Can ya? Can ya? Can you get off? Oh. Thank you. Gotta turn the light on. Need more light in here. Shonk. No. I want that on it. I need. There we go. Hey, baby. Oh, come here. Come here. Kenny. Oh, and here comes Louie. Ah. Hey, come here. Louie. Hey, come on. Chasing your tail, dog? Trying to lick your butt. Ooh. No, come back! Kenny, come here. Oh, yuck, right into the camera. Ugh. Nasty. I'm sitting here by myself. Come here! Ooh, what's this? Ooh, yummy! Of course, I know both of you come in. But I don't have anything, so I'm sorry. Oh, I don't have anything. You are so retarded. Nope. Nothing unusual here, just watching you lick the cabinet door. Do you know what's in there, dog? Look at that. Okay. Oh, it's not like we never feed you. There, now you can look at. Oh, it's all wet. You're nasty. You're nasty. Hey, you're nasty. Say goodbye, Kenny. Say goodbye.